In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install QuickBooks Enterprise Solution 2016. By the end, you'll have QuickBooks Enterprise 2016 installed, activated, and ready to open your company file or start a new one. Before we begin, make sure you have your installer ready, either the original DVD or the downloaded setup file, along with your valid license and product numbers. Start by inserting the QuickBooks Enterprise 2016 DVD, or locate and run the installer named Setup QuickBooks Enterprise 2016.ASCII. If Windows asks for permission through user account control, click Yes so the setup can continue. When the installer opens, click Next, Review and accept the license agreement, and click Next again to move forward. You'll then be asked for your license number and product number. Carefully enter both exactly as provided, since any typos can block activation later. When you're done, click Next. Now choose how you want QuickBooks installed. Express is the simplest path and uses default settings that work well for most single-user setups on one computer. If you're planning to share a company file across multiple users or host it on a server, choose Custom and Network Install. Click Next to continue with your chosen option. If you picked Custom and you're setting up a single workstation, select I'll be using QuickBooks on this computer, then click Next. If you're configuring a server, choose either Server Only, which hosts the company files without using QuickBooks on that machine, or Server and Workstation if the server will also run QuickBooks. Select the folder location for the installation and your shared data as needed, then click Next. Choosing the right role now helps avoid file sharing issues later. On the Ready to Install screen, click Install. This part can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on your system. It's a good idea to keep your computer awake and avoid running other heavy applications during this time. When the installer completes, click Finish and restart your computer if you're prompted to do so. Open QuickBooks by double-clicking QuickBooks Enterprise Solutions 2016. Follow the prompts to activate the product. After activation, you can either open an existing company file or create a new company depending on your needs. Finally, update to the latest 2016 release if you have an offline update file available. Online updates may no longer work for this version. To do this, close QuickBooks, run the update file, reopen QuickBooks, and press F2 to confirm the version in the product information window. That's it.